If you want to remove the SIM card from Google Pixel 10a, we need to take a look at the left side of the phone where we have our SIM tray. Now, we need to use the eject tool in order to, of course, put it into this SIM tray hole. So this is what we're gonna do. And once you put the SIM eject tool into this hole, we can push it into the phone with a little bit of force, with a bit of pressure, in order to pop out the SIM tray slightly. Then use your fingernails or fingers in order to remove the SIM tray completely from the device. There we go. And once you remove it, you can try to remove the SIM tray, which usually is quite easy. As you can see, I just flipped it upside down in order to remove it. But also we have these little dots in here at the back of the SIM tray. So if you have trouble with removing the SIM card, you can just try to poke it with your eject tool through these holes and it should come out pretty easily. After that, of course, we need to insert the SIM tray back into the phone. Just push it all the way in and make sure that it is fully in. Leave a like and subscribe.